क्योंकि करिश्मा मुझे ऐसे सीन फिल्म के याद हैं, ये सीन भी याद है, इसीलिए मैंने वो रिमार्क शुरू में किया था कि यकीनन डायरेक्टर का काम होता ही है, लेकिन इस फिल्म में जो है आपकी तरफ से आपके रोल में बहुत ज़्यादा काम था। और ये भी अभी हम सब ने देखा कि ये सीन में जो है कैमरा लगभग जो है सिर्फ इनके साथ हल्के से चला, जस्ट सिंगल
कुछ भी डायरेक्शन इन द नो व्हाट आई मीन बाय डायरेक्शन मीनिंग ही सेड आई एम जस्ट प्लेसिंग द कैमरा, यू डू व्हाटएवर यू फील. If tomorrow if somebody who's very close to you, if there's something happens, do what you feel. You must be completely bare of anything. Don't think of anything that, oh, you know, mera makeup theek hai, mera profile theek hai, mera kya. If you were alone, how would you react if you were just lying there in a desperate situation, not knowing where, I mean, your brother is, no family, nothing, how would you be? And I was like, but I don't know what to do. Because there have been so many breakdown scenes in so many movies. I was like, it should not be usual. At the same time, it should be, I don't know, it should be good, it should be, I don't know. So it just happened and then I refused to dub this and then the sound recordist was most upset. But it's the natural sound.
हमारी इंडस्ट्री के एक बहुत अहम फिल्म मेकर जो इनसे बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्रेस्ड हैं, मैं उनको तशरीफ लाने की दावत देता हूँ. श्याम बेनेगल साहब. साहब हमने फिजा का एक सीन देखा जी, बहुत 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 खूबसूरत, और एक फ्लैश जुबैदा का भी देखा जो कि खालिद बता रहे थे. आपने इस फिल्म में करिश्मा को कास्ट करने की कैसे सोची?
Two reasons. One, of course, Khalid suggested that I look at Karishma. And it's very funny, you know, when I met her for the first time, I knew that she was going to be Zubaida.
वो कैसे हुआ?
And I hadn't seen a single film of hers. Not a single film. In fact, I'm ashamed to say that, but I think it was just as well because I didn't make up my mind about her before seeing her. You know, and that was the right way to do it, I think. You know, so the moment I saw her, I said, she is Zubaida in the film. You see, one of the things that I discovered about her is that you don't necessarily have to rehearse her a great deal. Not too many rehearsals. Because she will peak very quickly. You know, one or two rehearsals and then she's performance level immediately. And this is a remarkable quality about her. I think essentially because I think she is a great professional. She's also dreadfully accident prone, I must tell you.
Please बैठ जाइए. कितनी जाएंगी तो मुझे लोग पीट देंगे.
Exactly. We had this a particular day, and we were supposed to do a scene, badminton, in the film. And she was there in her room getting dressed, and suddenly I heard that she had a dreadful accident. And what she had done was to spray her deodorant in her eye. I said, how can a deodorant move from where it's supposed to be used to the eye? But you know,
what I was told, and it was my first scene I think with Rekha aunty.
लेकिन आपने ये किया कैसे? ये चमत्कार हुआ कैसे? पता नहीं मतलब आप कर रही थी.
ये ऐसे होगा.
I've never seen her rehearse. I've never seen her with her lines, which she must do at some stage, but I never saw her doing that, which she's doing quietly somewhere, but I've never seen her do that. She would just come there, and she would say, what am I supposed to do? I remember the first day of shooting, she said, what is this scene? So I explained the scene to her. She said, tell me what I should do. I said, I'm not telling you what you should do. You know, you've got the lines, this is the place, this is the situation in the film.
It was a very difficult scene.
It was a very difficult scene, because we started with a very difficult scene, a very first scene in the film, and of course, it worked out brilliantly. You know, it didn't take long, and then immediately I knew that there was nothing that would go wrong as far as the performance was concerned till the end of the film. And nothing actually went wrong, except the deodorant in the eye.
कई बहुत अच्छे सीन्स हैं। शाम का खुद अपना एक बहुत फेवरेट सीन है इस फिल्म जुबैदा से, उसे देखते हैं।
चुनाव के सिलसिले में हम और मैंडी महीने भर के लिए बाहर रहेंगे।
ओह, मुझसे क्यों नहीं कहा? मैं भी चलूंगी।
बात दरअसल ये है सुबी कि चुनाव एक लहर पर निर्भर होता है। इस वक्त लहर हमारे हक में है, क्योंकि राजपूत वोट सब हमारे पास है। तुम साथ में आए तो हो सकता है कि वोट घट जाएंगे।
अच्छा, तो अब मैं आपके लिए बोझ बन गई हूँ। मुझे कबूलने से शर्म आती है आपको। कई लोगों को ये नहीं पता चल जाए कि आपकी छोटी रानी एक मुसलमान खानदान से है।
तुम्हें हो क्या गया है सुबी? इसमें हिंदू मुसलमान का सवाल नहीं है। राजनीति में विरोधी के हाथ में अपने पत्ते नहीं देने चाहिए।
तो आप एक पत्ता हो जो आप खेल चुके हो, इसलिए साथ नहीं ले जाना चाहते हैं।
हम समझाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं आपको। बात दरअसल ये है।
समझाने से क्या होगा जब मैं असली बात नहीं जानती? अब आप मुझसे प्यार नहीं करते, ऊब चुके हो इस खिलौने से। मैं एक गूंगी गुड़िया हूं ना, जिसे कूड़े में फेंका जा सकता है। साफ साफ क्यों नहीं कहते कि आपका दिल भर चुका है मुझसे?
जुबी मेरी बात सुन तुम। ये क्या पागलपन है? बातों के लिए हमारे पास समय नहीं है।
छोड़ो मुझे। छोड़ो मुझे।
करिश्मा, आपके अंदर एक ऐसी क्वालिटी आने लगी है, श्याम बाबू मुझसे एग्री करेंगे, मुझे यकीन है, कि जो एक ही सीन में एक से ज्यादा आर्टिस्ट होता है, लेकिन आप एक आर्टिस्ट से हट के दूसरे आर्टिस्ट को देख नहीं पाते। ऐसी एक क्वालिटी आपके अंदर आने लगी है। एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी 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 मेजर डेवलपमेंट in the career graph of any film. Terrific. I'm very impressed and very, very happy.
But I must tell you that this movie was sing sound. Yeah. So all these dialogues are what they were at the shooting. There's no dubbing in this movie, which was very tough to do. Because if you got the line right, something else would go wrong, or you'd not be in the right place for the thing. So that also, I think, taught me a lot about concentration, because you had to do everything correctly. Your pronunciation, your lines, your diction, the volume. At the same time, seeing that the mic and everything was, that you're just in the right place, that it's catching everything correctly. So that was another.
ऐसे सीन के बाद आपको रिवर्ट करने में, नॉर्मल होने में कितनी देर लगती है?
Not very long. Only thing is that I have a habit that I keep thinking about my day's work. Even when I go after pack up, I'm thinking about my shot and what I've done. That's the only thing.
तो इस शूटिंग के बाद घर जाके आपने टेबल कवर वगैरह खींच काट
नहीं, but I have tortured Shyamji. Is it okay? Is it okay? Should we do one more? Is it okay? So many times.
भाई एक फरमाइश आई है.
This of course we couldn't do more than once.
You didn't need to.
We didn't need to. That was the first take.
It was very nicely done. Enviably nicely done. एक और फरमाइश आई है इसी फिल्म से, एक और किसी की फेवरेट सीन की. आप उनको जानती भी होंगी, एक मशहूर एक्ट्रेस है करीना. उनका भी एक फेवरेट सीन इसी फिल्म से.